Hi, welcome back to Easy Flow English, your place to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English slowly and naturally. I am Max, and I'm really happy you joined me today. In this episode, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use clear and simple words, and I will repeat sentences so you can shadow my voice. This will help you speak more confidently, step by step. Today's topic is talking about your day in English. It may sound simple, but it is powerful. At the end of this episode, you will be able to describe your morning, your afternoon, your evening, your night, and even your weekends using full, natural, and confident English sentences. So, let's begin. Why is this important? Why practice your day? Because your day is real. It's not from a textbook. It's not an artificial example. It's your life. You don't need difficult words. You don't need complicated grammar. You already know your life. You know what time you wake up. You know what you eat. You know where you go. You know how you feel. So, when you describe your day, you are using real English, the English that you will actually use in real conversations. And here's something important. When you practice describing your day, you begin to think in English. You stop translating from your language. You start to feel fluent. You become more confident. That is our goal today. Morning routine. Morning. It is the beginning of the day. It gives you an energy. It sets the tone. Let's practice together. Repeat slowly and after me. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I wake up earlier. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I wake up later. Repeat. Well done. When I sleep late, I feel tired. Repeat. I stretch my arms and legs. Repeat. Well done. I walk to the bathroom. Repeat. Well done. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I wash my face with cold water. Repeat. Sometimes I take a shower. Repeat. I put on clean clothes. Repeat. I make breakfast. Repeat. I usually eat toast and eggs. Repeat. Sometimes I eat cereal or fruit. Repeat. Well done. I drink coffee in the morning. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I drink tea. Repeat. Well done. I check my phone quickly before I leave. Repeat. Great work. Now answer my questions. Out loud. What time do you usually wake up? Do you eat breakfast every day? What do you like to drink in the morning? Coffee, tea, or water? Do you listen to music in the morning? Do you check your phone or not? Well done. Morning shadowing story. Listen, pause, and repeat after me. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Repeat. Well done. I stretch, yawn, and slowly get out of bed. Repeat. Well done. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I take a shower. Repeat. I put on clean clothes. Repeat. I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. Repeat. I eat toast, eggs, and fruit. Repeat. I drink a cup of hot coffee. Repeat. Before leaving, I check my phone and pack my bag. Repeat. Well done. Finally, I put on my shoes and step outside. Repeat. Well done. A new day begins. Now pause. Try to describe on your own morning in English. Afternoon routine. Now let's move to the afternoon. This is the middle of the day. Some people work, some people study, some people rest. Repeat. After me. After lunch, I go back to work. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I feel sleepy. Repeat. Well done. I check my emails. I answer messages. Repeat. Well done. If I study, I read my lessons. Repeat. I sit at my desk. Repeat. I write reports. Repeat. Around 3 o'clock, I take a short break. Repeat. Well done. I drink tea or water. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I eat a snack. Repeat. If the weather is nice, I walk outside. Repeat. Walking helps me feel fresh. Repeat. Well done. My questions. What do you usually do after lunch? Do you feel sleepy in the afternoon? Do you take breaks? What do you do? Do you work? Or do you study? Afternoon shadowing story. Repeat slowly after me. After lunch, I usually go back into my desk. I check emails and write a short to-do list. Sometimes I have a meeting with my team. After the meeting, I drink tea and look out of the window. If I have time, I take a short walk outside. When I return, I study English, and for 15 minutes, I read, listen, and repeat new sentences. Before I finish the afternoon, I write down one new word. Now pause. Try to describe your afternoon in English. Evening routine. Evening is special. It is the time to relax. It's time to slow down. The time to review your day. Repeat slowly after me. I come home in the evening. Repeat. Well done. I change into comfortable clothes. Repeat. Well done. I sit down and rest. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I watch TV. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I listen to music. Repeat. Well done. I cook dinner or I order food. Repeat. Well done. I eat with my family. Repeat. Well done. We talk and laugh. Repeat. Well done. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I go for a walk. Repeat. Well done. Before bed, I read a book. Repeat. Well done. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Repeat. Well done. I go to bed around 11. Repeat. Well done. Answer my questions out loud. What time do you come home? Do you cook dinner or order food? Do you eat alone or with family? What do you usually do before bed? Well done. Evening shadowing story. Repeat slowly after me. In the evening, I come home tired. I change into comfortable clothes. I eat dinner with my family and we talk. After dinner, I clean the dishes. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Sometimes I sit and watch a movie. Before bed, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and read a book. Finally, I go to bed and sleep well. Now pause. Describe your evening in English. Night routine. Night is when the day ends. Repeat slowly. After me. At night, I prepare for sleep. Repeat. Well done. I brush my teeth. Repeat. Well done. I wash my face. Repeat. Well done. I check my alarm clock. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I read a book. Repeat. Well done. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Repeat. Well done. Finally, I close my eyes and sleep. Repeat. Well done. Weekend routine. Weekends are different. On weekends, I wake up late. Repeat. Well done. I relax. I meet friends. Repeat. Well done. I go shopping. Repeat. Well done. I eat at a restaurant. Repeat. Well done. I spend time with my family. Repeat. Well done. I watch movies. Repeat. Well done. I prepare for the next week. Repeat. Well done. Now pause. Think about your weekend and describe it in English. Special days. Not every day is routine. We also have special days. On my birthday, I eat cake. On holidays, I visit family. On special days, I take photos. I celebrate with food and music. Now pause. Think of your last special day. Describe it in English. Reflection. Practice now. Let's reflect. Answer these questions. Out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do in the afternoon? How do you relax? In the evening. What time? Do you go to bed? What do you do on weekends? How do you celebrate special days? Well done. You did excellent work today. You practiced morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Weekend routines, special days, shadowing stories, reflection questions. Remember that fluency is not about perfection. Fluency was about practice. Every day, describe your life in English. Every day, tell your story. Every day, speak one more sentence. This is real English. This is your English. I'm Max, and this is Easy Flow English. I'm proud of you. Keep speaking, keep listening, keep believing in yourself. See you next time.